Hello, good evening, Mr., Mrs., and Baby H. So let's, okay, the rain stopped right now. Let us check this part of the universe. It has, as you can see, the toilet bowl, the sink, and then the cabinet. Yeah. And it doesn't have a grout right now, so that's next. And then the mirror. I think the mirror will just gonna be up to here. As your request, Bell, diba? Mababa. And Engineer Yan asked me if it has a glass wall here. As Mabel said, it's none. So I said there's none. There's no glass division to here. That one is for the bidet. Nice. Okay. What else, Baba? Let's go to the, what do you call that? The steps here. Hello po. Ayan, as you can see the stones, it's ano now. There is, alam niyo po kung ilang bag ng stone yung nilagay ngayon?
Yung kaya?
Dito. Isa, ito lang.
Lahat na.
Ito lang, nandito lang. Isa't kalahati kaya yan?
Oo.
Isa't kalahati. Okay, 1 sack and a half. So, maybe I'm just gonna buy 3 sacks. Yeah. Because we're going to put here, there, pa pala. Maybe 4 sacks. 1. Parang 3 lang ata. I don't know. Okay. Paint here is done. It's done here. And here also, paint is done. Okay. Okay, they're finishing this to have what do you call that? A beam design, just like this one. Something like that also. Okay. And then what else pa ba? I think that's it na for tonight's video. Oh, let's go to the yung tawag doon? Yung
Ipadala ko.
sa room sa may there's that
Wala dito mga sir.
what do you call this? Right here. Ayan, this wall. We already paint this and finish it. And I already covered that one, the drainage. But that is removable. If ever there's a clog, you can still unclog the things. Ay. Sir, okay po siya kagabi. Naglamig naman. Okay, sige. Thank you. Tapos, there's a hole here for the hose for the gas stove. And then, this is the shower, the telephone wire shower. Ayan, going through here. And that's the faucet. This is the details of this one. Inside mountain and music. Tanong ko na lang yan. And then ito, let's try nothing yet. And then I already used the water dispenser right there. Engineer Yan is sleeping. And then, what else pa ba? And I already tried all the AC yesterday. 1 hour each AC. That's it. And this is the yung ating control panel.